The 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander has officially arrived, and it's stepping into the spotlight with a bold upgrade in both technology and design. This latest version builds on its reputation as one of the most versatile plug-in hybrid SUVs, offering a perfect balance between electric efficiency and long-distance capability. At the heart of the Outlander is its advanced plug-in hybrid system, allowing you to drive on pure electric power during daily commutes while seamlessly switching to its gasoline engine for longer trips. The 2027 model brings improved battery efficiency, smoother acceleration, and a more refined driving experience overall, making it feel more responsive and confident on the road. On the outside, the SUV now looks sharper and more aggressive, with a redesigned front fascia, sleeker LED lighting, and a stronger road presence. It feels modern, premium, and ready to compete in a crowded SUV market. Step inside and the cabin feels like a major upgrade. You get a large infotainment display, a fully digital instrument cluster, and smarter connectivity features. The materials feel more refined, and the overall layout is designed to keep the driver comfortable and in control. Advanced driver assistance systems also make the driving experience safer and more convenient. Of course, competition is tough. The Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate, with its strong reliability and proven hybrid performance. But where the Outlander stands out is its plug-in hybrid flexibility, giving drivers more control over how they use electric power in everyday life. As more drivers look for fuel-efficient, tech-packed SUVs, the 2027 Outlander positions itself as a smart and practical choice. It's not just about saving fuel, it's about offering a complete driving experience that blends performance, comfort, and innovation in one package.